everyone. So welcome to my channel. We are going to be working on number 10 today, exercise number 10. I decided not to do exercise number 9 because it was just a bunch of angles and I've already taught you how to do it. I'll leave it up to you if you want to work on number 9, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll make another video for number 9. But today we will be working on exercise number 10. It's going to be very simple and easy. I'll show you some techniques on how to get this done. So let's get started. So we're going to be starting with a line of length 40 and the width of it is going to be 10.5. 10.5, and I need to go 5 units to the left direction. And notice that this time I haven't been given the length of the angle line, the ramp, but I've been given how far towards the left I need to go and how far down I need to go. So I'll just make a line that I can erase later of 5 and 5, 5 towards the left and 5 vertically going down. Enter. And then I will need a line that goes up, down, and goes down 1 more unit. So 1 unit here, and I'll stop right there. I'll make another line from here, 10.5 going up. I'm gonna go 5 in this direction, another 5, and 5 down. And I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 more down. And I'm gonna press escape to exit the command. I'm gonna click on line command again. Click on this line and connect it to where that 5 was meeting, which would be the midpoint of it anyways. So if you draw a line with a 10, unit 10, you can just go ahead and connect it to the midpoint. It will, because I have in my object snap, I have the endpoints on, as you see, then that's the exactly reason why I can use this technique, because I can easily detect the endpoint of every line where I stopped last time when I drew up. I'm just gonna have to connect these two together. And now I will be trimming these parts that I don't need. These 2 lines with the length of 5. There we go. And I need 2 circles right here. And the length of it is supposed to be 4.5. So I need a line that goes up, goes down here, 4.5, goes up, 6. Escape. I'm going to need another line from here, goes this direction, 4.5, and goes up, 6. Escape. The radius of the circles is going to be 2, so I need a circle that has a center radius command, and I'm just going to click on there and type 2, enter. Now I'm going to use the copy command. I already did this once, so I don't need to do it again. I'm just going to copy it, so I'm going to redo this. I'm going to go ahead and click on copy, click on the circle. Once it's highlighted, press enter, pick it up from the center, drop it off at the center right here, and press escape. And there we have it. Now we're gonna have to erase these 2 extra lines that we drew. And always remember, zoom into your work, make sure there are no little dots or lines left that you need to erase. And this looks perfect. And there we have it. This was exercise number 10. I'll see you on exercise number 11. Thank you. Have a good day.